to all, ladies and gentlemen, everyone right here. I would like to take this opportunity to extend a very warm welcome to our notable guest joining us today. Yang Berhormat Tuan Lee Chen Cho, Member of Parliament for Petaling Jaya. Welcome to Verdant Solar's Enduring Assets Malaysian Book of Records 2025. Please join me in welcoming the CEO of Verdant Solar, Mr. Zach Lim.
It's been honored to stand here to actually celebrate about this wonderful journey together with everyone. In Verdant Solar, our purpose is to make the world a greener and better place to stay, and also to build second home for Verdians. And in 2024, we shattered all previous records with a remarkable 3,148 installations in the year.
For the achievement of receiving recognition from the Malaysian Book of Records 2024 for the most solar PV system installations in a year.
The third consecutive win in the Malaysian Book of Records is a testament to your hard work, vision and dedication for a better Malaysia.
That's why Verdant Solar is the first company in the solar industry to introduce a comprehensive in-house app designed to serve our customer better. And today, we are going to officially launch this here today.
3, 2, 1! Raise the ball! Woo!
Are there any plans to integrate more AI-driven or automation features in the Verdant home app in the future?
I think the short answer is yes. The possibilities is quite endless. So hopefully one day we get to the stage where we actually build this feature in the app as well.
Hi, I'm Sebastian Beltran, Sales Manager from Verdant Solar. And this year we want to break our record, our personal and own record again. We are aiming to achieve somewhere around above 6,000 units in 2025. So one of the strategy or the things that we want to do in order to achieve this target that we set for ourselves is regional expansion. We want to be closer to our customers and we want to be able to cover a wider portion of Peninsular Malaysia. Starting now is we're going to open 3 more teams. One is going to be based in Melaka, the other one in Ipoh, and the other one in Kuantan. That way we make sure that we are less than 2 hours away from any customer across Peninsular Malaysia.
We are truly thankful for their collaboration and dedication, which has played a crucial role in Verdant Solar's journey.
Hi, I'm Zach, CEO of Verdant Solar. To be able to be here today, I think I'm really happy, honored and proud for the team. It's not just numbers that we are delivered. I think it's a collective effort. The team are really put down a lot of hard work to make today possible. Thus, today I really feel happy for that because it's a way we actually recognize our team for the hard work that they put in to continue delight customers, continue delivering projects with quality. And I think moving forward, we want to continue to serve more customer base in more areas, more cities in Malaysia. At the same time, also finding way to continue delight customer better with higher quality products and also better service. And at the same time, scalable with technologies. That's always what we want to do in Verdant Solar. Thank you.